Welcome to Cars Trends. The BMW M10 concept represents a bold step into the future of high-performance vehicles, combining innovative design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional driving dynamics. As one of the most prestigious and renowned automotive brands, BMW is poised to redefine the standards of the industry with its latest concept. The BMW M10 concept boasts a striking design that seamlessly integrates luxury and performance. Its sleek, aerodynamic bodywork is crafted from advanced materials, including carbon fiber, to enhance agility and performance while maintaining structural integrity. At the heart of the BMW M10 concept lies a potent, high-performance engine that delivers exhilarating power and responsiveness. Paired with a precision-tuned suspension system and advanced all-wheel drive technology, this vehicle promises an engaging driving experience that is both thrilling and precise. Inside, the BMW M10 concept offers a luxurious and driver-focused cockpit, adorned with premium materials and state-of-the-art technology. The interior design emphasizes luxury, comfort, and connectivity, providing drivers and passengers with an immersive experience tailored to their needs. The BMW M10 concept is equipped with a suite of advanced safety features and driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work in harmony to provide a safe and secure driving experience. The BMW M10 concept represents a significant milestone in the evolution of high-performance vehicles. With its advanced technology, striking design, and exceptional performance capabilities, this vehicle is set to redefine the standards of the automotive industry. The BMW M10 concept's exceptional performance capabilities make it an ideal choice for drivers who crave excitement and luxury. Its advanced technology and design features make it a true masterpiece of automotive engineering. The BMW M10 concept is a testament to the brand's heritage of performance and innovation. With its striking design, advanced technology, and exceptional performance capabilities, this vehicle is set to make a significant impact on the automotive industry. The BMW M10 concept's advanced design and technology provide exceptional performance and luxury, making it an ideal choice for those who demand the best. The car's advanced safety features and driver assistance systems provide a safe and convenient driving experience. The BMW M10 concept is a true icon of the automotive world, showcasing the latest innovations in design, technology, and performance. Its advanced features and technologies make it an ideal choice for discerning drivers who demand the best. The BMW M10 concept's commitment to performance and luxury makes it an ideal choice for those who crave something unique and exceptional. With its advanced technology, striking design, and exceptional performance capabilities, this vehicle is set to revolutionize the automotive industry. The BMW M10 concept's exceptional